Welcome to our comprehensive course on how to create and run a successful YouTube channel. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your existing channel, this course is designed to guide you through every step of the process. In this course, we will cover finding your niche, creating your YouTube channel, branding your channel, optimizing your channel, researching your topic for video, making videos, earning from YouTube, tips for consistent earning. Throughout this course, we will provide you with practical tips, step-by-step instructions, and insider insights to help you build, grow, and sustain a successful YouTube channel. Whether your goal is to share your passion, promote your business, or become a full-time content creator, we're here to support you every step of the way. Let's get started on your YouTube journey. Welcome to the first part of our course on creating and running a successful YouTube channel. In this video, we're diving into one of the most crucial steps, finding your niche. Choosing the right niche is the foundation of your channel's success. It's what sets you apart from the millions of other creators and helps you attract a dedicated audience. To find your niche, you need to answer 3 simple questions. First, what do you want to create? Consider your interests, knowledge, skills, and the topics you enjoy. Second, what can you create? Think about whether you can realistically create the content you want. Do you have the necessary resources? And lastly, what do people want to see? Is your topic or niche trending? Research to understand what your potential audience is looking for. To help visualize this process, let's create a flowchart for finding your niche. Here's how it works. Interests. Identify your passion for a topic. Resources. Evaluate if you have the tools and means to create content on this topic. Trend. Check if your topic is currently trending or gaining popularity. Competition. Assess the level of competition. Are there many creators already covering this topic, or is there room for new voices? Follow what your mind likes. Whichever topic excites you the most, create content around that. Write down your interests and make a flowchart to help you decide. Here's an example I made using my interests. Interests. My interests are tech, gaming, food, education, photography, creativity, fashion, AI, and news. Resources. I had resources for tech, creativity, gaming, food, AI, and photography. Trend. Trending topics were tech, food, AI, gaming, and creativity. Competition, competition-wise rating. Low to high, number 1. Tech. Number 2. AI. Number 3. Food. According to this data, I choose tech niche. You can create your flowchart to select your niche. By following these steps, you can find a niche that not only interests you, but also has the potential to attract a large and engaged audience. Next, we will dive into the practical steps of creating your YouTube channel, branding it, setting up important features, and configuring upload defaults. This part contains a total of 6 steps, so let's get started. Step 1. Creating a YouTube account. Before you can create a YouTube channel, you need to have a YouTube account. This account will be linked to your Gmail, which is essential for managing your channel and accessing all YouTube features. First, we will sign into YouTube. For that, head over to YouTube. If you're already signed in, you will see your account logo. If not, you'll see the login option. Click Login and add your Gmail account by clicking Add Account. Enter your Gmail ID. Click Next, and then add your password. If you have 2-factor authentication enabled, verify it from your phone. Once done, you'll be logged into YouTube. You should see your account icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Creating your channel. Creating your channel is the first major step toward becoming a YouTuber. This involves setting up your channel name, handle, and logo, which are crucial for your branding. Click on your account icon in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. You'll see an option to add a logo, name, and handle for your channel. Get creative with your channel name. Head over to ChatGPT and type, "Give me 20 unique YouTube channel names for a tech channel." Select a name from the suggestions, check its availability on YouTube, and repeat until you find a unique name. Once you find an available name, copy and paste it into the channel name section. Next is entering your channel handle. Enter a unique channel handle for your channel. This helps in branding your channel. For the channel logo, we will use AI to make it. Go to ChatGPT and type, "Give me an image generation prompt for a channel logo of a YouTube channel named your channel name." Copy the prompt, head over to Ideogram AI and create an account. Paste the prompt, select a 1:1 resolution and click Generate. Choose your favorite logo and download it. If you don't like any, click Generate again to get new results. Then upload it to your YouTube channel by clicking Select Picture, and then add the logo you just made. Finally, click Create Channel, and you can see the channel has been created. Step 3. Customizing your channel. Customizing your channel is essential to make it stand out and provide necessary information to your audience. This includes setting up the basic info and writing a compelling description. Click Customize Channel on your YouTube channel homepage. In the basic info section, you can change your name, handle, description, add links, and more. Your description defines your channel. You can add up to 1,000 characters. We will use ChatGPT to generate a description. Go to ChatGPT, then open your old chat and type, "Give me a description for this channel." Copy the generated description, paste it into the description section, and modify it as needed. Add your channel keywords, explain what you make, your social links, and other stuff. Step 4. Branding your channel. Branding your channel involves creating a banner and a watermark, which help make your channel visually appealing and recognizable. First, we will use ChatGPT to generate an image prompt for your channel banner. Go to ChatGPT and then go to Old Chat. Now type, "Give me a banner prompt for this channel," and hit Enter. Now copy this prompt and go to ideogram.ai. Paste the prompt and select a 16:9 resolution. Generate and download your banner. Then upload it in the Channel Customization tab under Branding. You can add a custom image or your channel logo as a watermark for your videos. Upload the watermark and choose when it appears during the video. Entire video, end of video, or a custom start time. Step 5. Verifying your channel. Verifying your channel unlocks features like live streaming, longer video uploads, and custom thumbnails. It's an important step to enhance your channel's capabilities. Go to YouTube Studio, click Settings, then Channel, and Feature Eligibility. Select Intermediate Features and click Verify Phone Number. Enter your country and phone number. Choose the text message option. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone and click Submit. Refresh the page to confirm verification. Step 6. Setting Upload Defaults. Upload defaults are pre-configured settings for your videos, saving you time by automating repetitive tasks like adding descriptions, tags, and more. To add upload defaults, first, head over to Settings in YouTube Studio and go to Upload Defaults. Add details you want to be pre-filled in your video settings, such as social media links, your website, work email, etc. This saves time and helps in maintaining consistency across your videos. Here's an example of what you can add. Now you have successfully created and branded your YouTube channel. verified it to unlock additional features, and set up upload defaults to streamline your video uploads. In the next video, we will cover more advanced YouTube settings to optimize your channel and grow your audience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our YouTube earning course. See you next time.